here is the real Lambeg drum, you know. As I said, there's always been drums in Ulster right back to ancient times, and the drums kept getting bigger and better and louder until one day in the mid-1800s, near the wee village of Lambeg in County Antrim, someone developed the Lambeg drum as it is today, and that was the end of the evolution of the drum, because nobody has been able to improve upon it ever since. And it's something that is only played in Northern Ireland, but someone has suggested to me recently that the reason why it's only played in Northern Ireland is because people in other countries in the world are not as daft as to walk around carrying such a big heavy drum. But you know, it's not everybody appreciates the Lambeg drum. Where I grew up, I could hear Lambeg drums coming for miles around where I live, you know, and just almost any summer night you could hear the drums blare. But some people just can't handle the Lambeg drums at all, and I never understood that, you know, until there a couple of months ago. I was with other members of the Ulster-Scots Folk Orchestra, and we were doing a wee show in Newtonards, and we finished off the first half of our performance with doing a rendition on the Lambegs and fifes, and then it just so happened that Dr. Paisley was in the audience, and so because he was there, the people who were organising the event asked him to come up and say a few words at the break. So he comes onto the stage and he says, "Did you hear the music and that Lambeg drum?" And some people say there's no music in it. That's because they cannot hear the music in it. For let me tell you this, only Protestant ears can hear the music and the Lambeg drum. So that's maybe explains why not everybody appreciates, you know. So I'm going to play a wee blare here on the Lambeg. I usually have fifers or sometimes even bagpipers to accompany, but you just have to use your imagination and hear the wee tune in your head.